Hello, I'm Nam Swissa, and I am the Global Customer Care Manager at Maytronics. Today we'll be speaking about what happens when the robot doesn't climb properly or doesn't move along the waterline properly. First off, it's important to know that our climbing robots are programmed to climb a wall and clean the waterline only every 4 to 6 minutes. In case the robot was able to clean the walls properly before, or in case the robot was never able to climb the walls, it is possible that we might have a fault with the robot. With these simple steps, we can verify where the problem originates at. First off, let's verify that the filters are not clogged or full. In case they are, simply clean them. The second thing that we need to verify is the brushes. The brushes must be intact and not worn off or even torn. In case they are, they need to be replaced. The third point would be to verify that the blue cable is not tangled. If you notice that the blue cable is tangling up, lay it out in the sun for at least 3 hours so it would be able to return to its original state. Last but not least is to verify that the pool's chemicals are intact and balanced. If not, it can heavily affect the robot's movements and maneuverability inside the pool. And lastly, the temperature. The temperature must always be between 15 and 35 degrees Celsius for the robot to climb properly.